Here, this is the 2nd of March 2018. Look at this. We're having a big windstorm here. It's been gusting. The winds have been 30-40 miles an hour and gusting up to I don't know, 40-50, sometimes 60 miles an hour. Look at this. Look at that. We got a big pine tree down here blocking the road. Wow, look at that. And this is the other side of the pine here. You can kind of see where it came down. This must have just happened because the cops are here. We had a big gust, I guess, about half an hour ago that really sounded like it was going to blow the roof off. I don't know. There's another one down. That's a pine. Seems like the pines are coming down, doesn't it? I was thinking to go into the post office today to pick up, supposedly the Chemo Dave puppet was supposed to be delivered today to my P.O. box, but I can't even get my car out of the complex here. There's another couple of trees down over there. Look at that. Wow. Not too much debris in my little neighborhood on my street, but when you walk around here, you see quite a few things down. Look at that. Okay, check it out. Cops are there. That's the guy who's driving the moving van there. He needs to get up the street. And apparently he can make it, because you can cut around the parking lot there and get around that car. I mean, that fallen tree, but it doesn't look like he's going to be able to make it. Anyway, a lot of debris down, but it looks like a lot of pine stuff mainly. I've seen 2 or 3 big trees come down. It's just, you know, I guess about midnight last night, it just started getting windy as hell. They predicted it. Sustained winds somewhere between 30 and 40 miles an hour. And then gusts of 50, 60. I think they even had a gust of 70 up somewhere around Frederick, Maryland. Dulles Airport. But seen a number of trees down. There's something over there. Well, I was thinking about going over to the post office, but I guess I'll just hunker down today. You know, who knows? I'll get over to the post office and I won't be able to get back because that's still blowing. If the wind had stopped, if the wind had kind of cut back a bit there, maybe I would. Man, oh man! Well, at least walking back to my place, the wind hasn't been too terribly bad, so hopefully we're on the downward side of this windstorm. But man, oh man, oh man! Okay, there's another one. Just found out one in the back, right in the back here. Another pine. Yeah, it seems like the pines are falling. The pines are falling.